of Innovation Center and Karakuri Dojo. I'd like to invite Mr. Ali Asghar Jamali, our CEO, for his comments behind this Innovation Center.
आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि ये एक्टिविटी हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. It's gonna take years, but the good thing is we started.
We will enhance competitiveness by developing teams who can think and challenge. Pull the trigger to change manufacturing culture through drastic, innovative approach.
One of our mission is that our trained workforce won't just benefit us, but also enable to contribute with the modern day's perspective that will aid in strengthening Pakistan's human resource foundation.
This Karakuri and digitalization will help my team members to perform standardized work with human safety and vehicle quality.
This is not just a department, but we are starting a breakthrough in Pakistan's automotive industry transformation through an innovation framework that takes into account future growth goals and resources. One component of this endeavor is the development of an advanced Monozukuri Innovation Center that develops people by practical application of Karakuri, digitalization, automation, and artificial intelligence projects.
Let's do it together!